What's up, guys? Asking for slots here. So we're starting day 3. We are ready to go. We're heading downstairs. We're going to go do our Bloody Mary slot pool, our $100 Bloody Mary slot pool, where we're going to kind of see if we can hit some fire today and maybe even win a little bit. And hopefully, if we win a little bit or we lose, whatever, we're going to go to the pool afterwards, check that out, and then we're going to try to find some lunch. I think we may eat at the Overlook Grill down at the pool, but we will take you along with us. Then we'll come upstairs, get ready for the evening, and we're going to also try to finalize some dinner plans while we're down at the pool. So we're going to try to eat lunch a little earlier tonight so it doesn't interfere with dinner, with whatever those plans are. All right, guys, we'll see you in a minute. Guys, so we got our chocolate croissants. We're waiting on the chai teas, but I think they look very, very delicious. Guys, we'll be back in a minute once our teas are in. Mrs. Asking for Slots has our teas. And there they are right there. Alright, guys, we'll be back. Guys, so we decided to do Huff and Puff for our first game of the day. And I think we're going to probably do a couple of spins here and see where it goes. Alright guys, hopefully this is a good sign for today. We literally did like 2 spins and we got a massive bonus. You can see all those hats already showing. That's really, really good. Of course, the fact that we're not getting any hats right now during the bonus is not good. So, let's see what happens here. There we go, we got at least one. Come on, re-trigger. Alright, so not so great. Great start, not so great during the bonus. Alright, here we go. Alright. So $5.75. So an $8.75 bonus. We're doing 75 cents a spin, so you can't really complain about it too much. But anyways, not the best bonus, but it was a bonus. For a $9.80 win. Alright guys, we'll be back if we get it. Guys, so we got a bonus. Obviously we're down a little bit from where we started, but we're going to clean it up right now. We got the piggies. So let's go. Come on, pigs, drop. Don't do what you did on Huff and Puff. Come on, there we go, there we go. There we go. We gotta get something right there. Or right here. Yes, got that one right there. Alright, now we need this area to fill right here. Come on. Yes. Alright, one more. Come on. Fill it up. Drop some pigs. Yes. That's good right there. Very good. Very shapely. I like it. Alright, come on, Piggy Bank. 50 cents. 50 cents. That's $1. Alright, come on. Something big. $5. Mini bonus. Mini. Alright, $5. We'll take it. That's $6. Now for the big one. Alright, come on, mini bonus. $15. $15. Alright, we'll take it.
There we go.
Could have been worse. I mean, for a 50-cent bet, you can't complain on that. We're going to do our backup spin and then probably move on. $13.50, guys. Alright, we'll do the backup spin on camera. Alright, guys, we'll be back if we get there. Alright, guys, so we decided to move next door to the slot machine this is Asking for Slots was sitting on. We're going to do a little, what is this? Hold your hat. We got our, you can see, $27.71. We didn't do any additional spins, so we'll be back if we get anything. All right, guys, so Hold Your Hat was a bit of a disaster. We ended up going down to 1 cent, so we have $20.01. So we decided to jump over here to Dancing Drums and see if we can do a little better over here. We were hoping for a 3 for 3 over there on the Locket Links, but it wasn't to be. So hopefully we'll be back soon with a bonus round on Dancing Drums. Alright guys, we'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so Dancing Drums was not a success. We got down to $10 and decided to move behind that machine to Buffalo. See if we can trigger some sort of bonus over here or win. So hopefully we'll be back soon with a big win to report. Alright guys, talk to you in a minute. Yeah, so Buffalo didn't go great. So we decided to move next door. We saw this Brazil game. We've never seen this before. So we thought we'd give it a shot. And it was pretty enticing with a 20-cent bet. So we like that. So we're going to give this a shot. As you can see, we're down to 21 cents on our last 20. This is our third 20 in. So we will see what happens. Hopefully we'll have a bonus to report. Alright guys, so with our final spin, Mrs. Asking for Slots triggered the bonus. Let's see what this does. Go ahead, babe. Babe.
Ready?
Damn. Wow. Okay. So not great. But it was a bonus, $5.85. Alright guys, we're back. Alright guys, so our third and final Bloody Mary run is done. With 0. Alright guys, be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so we made it to the pool. Finally. So we're going to sit here and relax for a little while. I'll show you guys the pool here in a minute. And we'll be back with any updates of anything interesting that happens while we're out here. Alright guys, talk to you in a minute. What's up guys, we're back. So we're back from the pool. We want to give you guys a little update. So we were at the pool for a while, relaxed. It was very nice. We enjoyed it thoroughly. So now we are going to head down, and Mrs. Asking for Slots is in the mood for a dirty martini. And we're going to try to go down there and find a good one. And then I think we're flirting with the idea of going to a Korean barbecue place for dinner tonight. So we will keep you updated. We are getting ready to head out of the room and get the rest of the day started. All right, guys, we will check in a little bit. Talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we are at the Chandelier Bar. The Click, which was the bar we were going to try, was closed. So we're going to come to the Chandelier Bar here and try to get a dirty martini for Mrs. Asking for Slots. And we will be back when the drinks arrive. We're not sure what's going on over there, but some sort of drummer situation. Alright guys, we got our martinis. So our dirty martinis came in, and we are going to be enjoying them very soon. And then I think we're going to kind of take a walk after that and take in the Vegas Strip since it's the last day. We'll take you with us. And we may do some slot play here in a little bit too. And so we'll take you along with us there. We're reevaluating the barbecue place, the Korean barbecue place. We looked at the menu and don't really like this particular one, and we don't want to travel too far off the Strip tonight since it's our last night. So we are reassessing dinner. So we will be back hopefully with a decision on dinner very shortly. and we'll take her from there. All right, guys, talk to you in a minute. Here we are, guys. I don't know what's going on, but there we go. Some sort of parade. Wow, look at this. Exclusive. Asking for slots. Live from the COSMO, guys. Some sort of parade. Alright guys, we are running our first sessions of the trip, so we'll be back to give you any bonus rounds we get. We're doing a CLEO slot, $1 a pool, 50 spins a round, 5 rounds. You're going to get to see an exclusive on any bonuses. Alright guys, we'll be back. We got a bonus for Mr. Asking for Slots. Hit the max bet button for $10.
You won 7.
We got 7 spins. We got the worst of the worst.
Hey, lucky 7. Don't be.
But here we go. In this particular session, babe, we end the session on a bonus.
Okay.
Except for the first 4 rounds. So, alright, we'll take that. 2 times multiplier. Alright guys, we need a big one.
Come on. Why didn't that give a shit? That was free.
Oh wow, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be real nice. Oh no, it isn't. Never mind. $5. Alright guys, last one.
What the fuck? That's stupid.
Babe, watch the language.
I mean, yeah.
Alright, so not that great. Alright guys. Here comes the parade, guys. Back around. Bringing us luck. I got the feeling the bonus is coming. Alright guys, we're here at Lightning Link. Happy Lantern. So we are going to give ourselves, we're doing our second session of the trip here. We'll be back if we get any bonuses. What's up guys? So we are back from downstairs. We haven't gone to dinner yet, but we already lost our daily bankroll. Had an unfortunate session on Happy Lanterns. So we figured we'd come up, rest a little bit, we're going to go to dinner, and then we're going to start our evening out. We bought a 4th day bankroll just in case. We are going to have to activate it. It was a most unfortunate turn of events down there on the machine, so we are going to take a little rest from gambling, I think, right now. There's a plane in the sky flying away from Las Vegas like we will be tomorrow. Anyways, I think we're going to try to leave the Cosmo for a little while, kind of take a walk, see what we can do, go eat some dinner, and then hit an evening session and see what we can do. With the evening time. So, not a great day so far, not a great trip so far on the gambling side, but we are going to take another stab at it, guys. And we will take you along for the journey. Alright, guys. Talk to you in a little while.